Alright, this is Sam Smyth Imports. We're located in Cincinnati, Ohio. Our website is smythimports.com. We specialize in Bentley Motorcars. We're the only authorized independent service facility for Bentley Motorcars that we know of and have been for several years. What we have here and what we'd like to show everyone is for our Bentley owners is we have a Bentley key fob. This particular one's off a 2006 Bentley Flying Spur. You can tell on this key fob as we're rotating it. You can take a look at it. We're going to demonstrate on how to get to the battery and how to take it apart without breaking it. Also, this is the master key because it does not say valet on it. So you always want to keep a good eye on this key, because if you lose this one, you're going to have a lot of trouble getting into your trunk and into your glove box. So with that being said, we're going to now demonstrate on how this actually comes apart. First of all, we're going to open the key itself, all right, which is going to relieve some tension and pressure off the case cover. And then we're going to apply a small little screwdriver. You can use one piece of plastic or anything you have. And this is going to make it a lot easier for this cover to come off. I'm going to apply some left and right hand pressure, holding it very lightly. And we're going to be very careful with it because these are expensive. And as you can see, it took us a little bit longer, but nothing blew apart out of here, came apart. Everything's still all intact. There's no marks from anything. Sometimes with the little chain here too, on the left-hand side there, the little chain, that can come off. So we want to show you that, but don't panic. You didn't break anything. We're going to put that right back on. See, that's the way that goes. Now you want to be really careful with this piece because, like you said, we can't stress enough on how expensive this all is. So with that being said, now we'll be able to get the battery out, and I'm going to have Jeremy read the battery to you, so everybody can. You might want to shop this battery, or you can get it from Crewe parts, which we recommend Crewe parts. But for those do-it-yourselfers who have to go to a battery shop, let us read you the number here.
It's a standard CR2032.
There you go. Standard what again?
CR2032.
There you go. Okay. So with that being said, and then basically we're going to put this back together without the battery replacement so we don't interrupt the video. We're just going to show you how everything snaps right back. And then, of course, from there we're going to take it apart once again and then put a battery in it. But we wanted to do this video for you do-it-yourselfers. There you go. And you heard it snap together. You're all set. There's no marks. There's no gouges. Everything operates correctly. And like I said, it is the master key. That chain little piece is on well. You're all set. So, if you're in Cincinnati and have a Bentley and you're having a problem replacing the battery, feel free to stop by and see us. We're Sam Smyth Imported Car Service, located at 8773 Remington Road in Cincinnati, Ohio. Our telephone number is 513-793-0434. Our site is www.smyth, and that's SMYTH imports.com. Give us a call if you have any questions or any worries. Again, this is out of a 2006 Bentley Flying Spur replacement battery for the key fob for the master key. Thank you.